Factor perfect square trinomials. Same, just another property here. If you can remember these, it will save you so much time when you're trying to write these out. So if you look, it says a squared. If it's in this format, plus 2ab plus b squared, then this is the what do you call it? How you factor it, and then a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is what it looks like. So see, this is a squared. So this is x squared plus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 squared. Y'all see that? Because 1 times anything is itself, right? So 2 times x times 1, that gives you that. And see, this matches that. So that means it's going to look like this right here. So this is going to be x plus 1 squared. Okay, so let's look at this one. This is the x is squared. And you're like, this is 2 times what times x? And you're like, oh, well, this is 7 squared, so it must be 7. You see that? I'm following the pattern here. Following the pattern here. So then this is going to be x minus 7 squared. And you're like, why minus? Because see, this was minus. This is minus. We're following the pattern. See that? Cool beans. Okay, now let's do one with the term in front. This is 3x squared, right? And then we have to say minus 2 times something times x plus 1 squared. Well, what's that something? Well, 2 times 3 gives you 6 times the x, right? And then you have 1 squared. So this is going to be 3x minus 1 squared. Very simple.